Hey guys, today I want to show you how I transformed my bland laundry room into this beautiful, colorful oasis. This room transformation involved several projects, so let's get started with the countertops. I once experimented painting them in a granite finish. Absolutely hated it. So I welcomed the opportunity to finally change the countertops out, and I tried my hand at the Stone Coat countertop epoxy kit. Let me just say it was a very messy experience dealing with epoxy, and since it was my first time, I certainly made some mistakes, but that's why I tried it in the laundry room instead of a more visible area of my home. I ended up really liking the transformation though. Let's get into these walls. The walls were a dingy white color, so we repainted them using Valspar Ultra White paint from Lowe's. Next was the stenciling. So initially I wanted to wallpaper the walls, but the wallpaper was really pricey, like way too pricey for a laundry room. So I found a stencil on Etsy that resembled the wallpaper and went that route instead, using some black latex paint that I already had around the house. I thought stenciling was pretty tough and I don't plan on doing it again anytime soon. But I'm glad I stuck it out and finished the job. I love it. I had painted my laminate cabinets gray and added silver hardware several years ago. It was a nice touch, but this time I wanted to elevate the look with some color. So this beautiful teal color called Ocean Slumber caught my eye. So I used their cabinet paint from Lowe's and my paint sprayer on the doors, and then I used a sponge roller for the base of the cabinets. I spray painted the hardware gold, and wow, beautiful, fabulous upgrade. Finally, we built a pedestal and painted it white to make the washer and the dryer even, since they are not a matching set. Also, we changed the faucet to this gold sprayer faucet. And finally, I added some artwork on the walls. And some labels on some glass canisters that I already had to complete the look. I absolutely love the outcome, and it makes walking through the laundry room so much more pleasant. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.